Hi, today I'm going to make this very pretty Rakhi and Lumba. Very easy to make. Perfect for Raksha Bandhan. Materials I'm using are, this is a thin orange colored foam sheet, some green and red colored beads, some orange and red colored pom-poms. These are some flower shaped decorations. These are some studs, some solar wood buds. This is molly, or you can use any ribbon that you have, a needle and thread. For the Rakhi, first just cut a cord which will be long enough to tie around the wrist, like this. Now I have cut a piece from the foam sheet, a rectangle. So this I'm going to place here and stick it. So it should be right in the center. Just apply glue. And press it well so that it sticks. Like this. Now just apply glue again on the cord and the foam. And I'm going to stick these pom-poms on it. Just put it like this and press it so that it sticks on the foam also. And similarly for this. Just press it hard. Like so. And let it dry. So now just take some glue and put this on the tip of these buds. And I'll just stick these on the pom-poms. Like this. Then take this golden bead, apply glue on the back and stick it. So I'll put some more here on the petals as well. And stick it on the bud, slightly leaning on the other side. You just have to hold it till it dries. Now I'll just stick these studs, the white stones, in the middle of the flower. And let it dry. For the Loomba, take this string and make a loop of it, slightly longer loop, like this. Just place it and then take the needle and thread and just tie the end together. and just tie a double knot. Like this. Then don't cut the string, the thread. Now I'll just bead these, put these beads together. Like so. Then take this small golden bead, put it at the end like this, and then I'll just make a knot with it. So what you do is just hold it and put the thread through it again, forming a loop. And making a knot of it. So the beads will stop here, like so. And just to make it doubly sure, just put some glue on the string so it doesn't open. And similarly, I'm going to make a string of this and put it again from here in the same way. So after this has been strung like this, so I'll just apply glue on the molly. And take these pom-poms and stick them. And just hold them down for a second. After this is dried a bit, just flip it over and again apply glue. And stick these behind them, the other two pom-poms. And let it dry. So after this is dried, look like this. Now I'll just stick these in the same manner as I did this. So just apply some glue. First just stick these buds. like so, and then just stick this. So I've already put the studs in the center. Like this. And this is how the Rakhi and the Loomba would look.